Hello guys, today, I will show you how to install a native desktop environment on Termux. I recently created a GitHub repo with an automation script, and I will be using it in my video. The script will set up the desktop environment, enable hardware acceleration, install Wine, install a proot distro, and use it as a container to install apps that are not available in Termux, and much more. It will also add these apps to the Termux menu, so you won't need to log into any distro to launch them. This is going to be a long video, so I will create it in different parts. This part is about installing the desktop, how to use the script, and what each options does. Go to this link, or you can check out the description. First, it will update Termux and install all the required packages. In this step, it will ask you to select the desktop environment. In this video, I will only cover the XFCE desktop. Next, you have to select the desktop style by typing the number corresponding to that style. I will install the default basic style. In my repo, there is a section at the top that says, check all available desktop styles. Click on the XFCE option, and you will see all the style names along with some screenshots of each style. Now, select the apps you want to install. For the browser, I will install Firefox because it works perfectly with Termux. I will also install others just to show how they work. In this section, it will ask you to install Wine. There are three options. The first option will install the default Wine, but it can only run apps according to your CPU architecture. For most Android devices with ARM64-based OS, it can only install Windows ARM software. The second option will use MoBox, which can run x86-64, 64-bit executables. The third option is similar to MoBox, but it can only be installed if you use Termux with the Pacman Package Manager. Because I am using the App Package Manager, the third option is skip. I will create a separate video explaining how to properly use it. Now, it will ask you to set up a distro container, also known as a proot distro. If you want to install packages like LibreOffice, Telegram, or other software not available or supported by Termux, you can use this instead. The distro container will install other Linux distro like Debian, Ubuntu, or Arch to run those apps. When you install any apps using the distro container, they will automatically be added to the Termux desktop menu, allowing you to launch them like other apps. I will create a separate video explaining how to properly use it. Now, select the graphical interface mode, which determines how you want to access the desktop graphical interface. I recommend using Termux X11, but you can choose any of them. Next, select the GPU drivers. For me, Zinc works fine, but you need to find which works best for your device. If your selected option doesn't work, you can always change it. I will cover how to change settings, reinstall components, and other options in a separate video. Let's start the installation process then. Use the TX11 start command to start Termux X11 and VNC start to start VNC. To stop Termux X11, use TX11 stop, and for VNC, use VNC stop. You might see the XFCE default wallpaper as your background. You can change it to anything you like. Now, I will launch GL Mark II to check if the GPU is working and then launch some apps.